Good luck. It rained on my wedding day too.
Touch.
You are. Okay. Who's that?
Saying something from the back.
Aruna, cheater. Go.
You are not in this.
You are not Anuja's gang.
It's a video by
Anuja's gang.
Anuja's gang. Girls' gang.
We're doing. Sorry.
I don't think he likes that.
He's like,
Oh, I'm feeling bad. Bhangavi, don't
he's
feel
off.
bad.
Sorry.
Baby, so cute.
Aruna.
He gets so excited.
Sorry. Love you.
Oh, we love you, Aruna.
Also, I must say, Madhav is in the middle.
What do you mean?
Yatharth and Madhav is
Malcolm in the middle.
Why?
With those clothes.
Yeah. sorry, but yeah.
जी है building.
Why would you guys this?
मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं हैं. Literally, I didn't have any more clothes.
Fine,
मैं
it's
clothes
fine.
ordered.
I forgive you. But white shirt, black pant would have been better.
वो गंदे हैं ना.
अच्छा ठीक है. He wore a very dressy outfit for that random event. Okay, sorry.
Sorry. We are very scared of you guys. We are so scared of you guys. You have no idea.
Okay.
We are scared of rain is coming through this, guys.
Shut up, Ashna. Shut up.
Who is that?
Ayushi.
Yeah.
No, I mean I know her since like 11th grade. She was like she is right now. She was just like she was a lot scarier, I think. Okay, she was quite intimidating, and the funny thing is that she thought I was intimidating, and she hated me, and I hated her before we even knew each other. And then when we met, we became best friends. So I think we both had this scary like impression of each other, but it wasn't true, obviously. Because she's the most loving person. So yeah, she was quite intimidating. I mean, yeah, she was a good student.
Really?
She was good. Yeah, she's very smart. She was
She was such a flirt.
Yeah, she was quite a flirt. Since I've known Anuja, I mean, oh my God, she's gonna kill me. But since I've known her, she's always had a boyfriend. Never been a gap between anyone like that. So yeah, that's why I said I was like, yeah. I mean, I know there've been a lot of men, but Ankit's by far been the best. So
Yeah. By far.
yeah, no, I mean, not by far for life. Ankit is the best.
Very funny
Yeah.
incident happened in school days, if you remember.
I mean, not like basically Anuja and I met at the end of 12th, right? Around 12th. So that's the time we used to do our sleepovers, we used to be partying all the time because we weren't in college yet and stuff. And we had this really weird incident where Anuja was really into candles, and she still is, right? She loves smells and all. And so she was like, we had a night stay, and she was like, okay, I'm going to put this diffuser on the table and it's going to smell very nice and all. Next thing we know, we can hear something's burning. And there was a huge mark on her wooden table, and there's fire, and we're like, oh shit, putting it down. So yeah, I think that's what comes to my mind right now.
So yeah, let's go back to the college days.
Yeah. So we were all
college friends.
Who has the funniest memory?
All of us
All
have
of
very
us.
funny memories. Anuja is a very funny person. Yeah.
What rubbish.
Yeah. I'll go.
Yeah.
So Anuja is a really funny person. I actually, same as Ayushi, I used to really hate Anuja before I became friends with her. She was this really popular,
Yeah.
pretty, intimidating, funny girl.
Confident, very
Everyone used to love her. Everyone used to love her. Boys, girls, teachers, every single person, okay? And that's still the case. She is so good with everyone and anyone. So of course I was like, oh my god, who's this girl? Okay, so she was actually in GK2, she was in my tuition, and she used to come to my tuition, and she used to be in the middle of tuition, and there used to be 100 boys around her. And every single boy used to be trying to hit on her. She used to wear these mini shorts. And she used to walk around tuition and be the center of attention, and she used to be so cute, I must say. In hindsight, she was so cute. She is so cute. And I did not like that. I did not like that at all. I was this unpopular, underconfident kid. And then when I came to college, and she was again the same popular, hot girl. And the first time that we interacted, she crossed by me in the corridor, and I was wearing a red top and brown pants. And she crossed by me, and I heard her say, "Oh, look, there goes a Christmas tree." She called me a Christmas tree, and I didn't even know her. Okay, and then I hated her even more. And then I don't know how, but I have come to love this girl more than I love anyone. And she's so important in my life. And I just hope that she remains as happy, joyful, and loving as she is. And she always remains this precious. The transition, I think alcohol. I think it was alcohol. Like
That's literally what bonded our whole group.
That's like
We
yeah,
have a-
literally all
we
of
have
us.
a
That's what
WhatsApp
keeps us
group.
together.
We have an our
We have
WhatsApp
a-
group is called AA,
Alcoholics Anonymous.
But we're not anonymous. Like we all know each other,
know
like
it.
fucking alcohol.
We are not trying to give up alcohol. Let's be clear. We just named our group that.
cheers, guys.
So we joined a college full of really, really serious people, and they were like, we have to be successful, we will not drink. And then we all wanted to drink and party, and like slowly we discovered each other. And basically, eventually we became this group of alcoholics, and we would roam around college with a bottle, like a Coke bottle, and alcohol every
that Coke
single
bottle had
day.
alcohol.
Yes, every, no.
Sound really alcoholic.
And some of us got liver problems, but
That's
it was
him.
okay.
Yatharth.
Some of us got liver problems, but it was okay because we survived, so it's fine.
Yeah, that's how we actually became friends. Everybody else was so serious and like focused, and we were just like, guys, we're in college. We want to have fun. Like, stop being so weird and competitive. Like,
Yeah.
so that's how we found each other and we started chilling together.
So I have.
How many?
Why-
Okay, go. Which one? Oh my God, yeah.
Dude, like secrets coming out.
No.
Why?
Family
Okay, is this a family
Why you
video?
stop
Okay.
thinking it?
Okay, so
Everyone is gonna watch.
basically there used to be
Oh,
this.
Okay, in the meanwhile, I'll
Yeah,
tell you
that's the
some
same story.
serious, not serious, but less controversial, and then we
Frivolous.
can move
Yeah,
to
yeah, less
controversial. So,
controversial.
really cute thing about our group is we all have family members that we are associated with. For example, like Sanya is the middle child, or I'm like the mom of the group, and Yatharth is the dad of the group. Anuja is the ba of the group. She is the dadi,
She's the
and if you
grandmother.
know her, she is literally the person who takes care of everyone, and she will always be on top of it. Even during her wedding, like she's been freaking out because she hasn't been able to take care of
I
other
know.
people because people have to take care of her. So it's really, really cute. But she's the most caring person in the world, and I think all of us agree with that.
In fact, whenever we would drink
looking at
together,
us
she would
also.
like always control
look away,
herself
look
because
away.
she would be the one taking care of everybody at the end of it. If anybody was like throwing up, she would be the one taking care of them. So she would always be like responsible. You always knew that Anuja would be the one to take care of you if you were, in a bad state.
So her nickname is Ba.
Ba.
She's Ba.
Yeah.
Okay, back to the controversy.
So, in fact, I just want to share this. I don't know if Anuja remembers this.
Of course she
but
remembers.
no, there's actually a different one. So this moment is really special to me. So we used to have a terrace on the first floor of our hostel, and often we used to go there and chill. So one time when everybody was sleeping, around 2 or 3 a.m. in the night, I went to her room and I said I can't sleep. And then she said, okay, no problem. And then she came with me. It was just her and me. And we were having a drink. We got quite drunk. It was her and me on the terrace. And we were just looking up at the stars. And we were literally just drinking and listening to Fix You. And it was honestly one of the most precious moments in my life. I still remember it. I still...
Fix You by Mugler.
Was that your first kiss?
Or wasn't that your first kiss?
I have kissed Anuja. We all have kissed Anuja.
No, not all of them. No. Excuse me, no.
I haven't.
ये गलत चीज बातें मत बोल मेरा.
Ashna.
So,
And
we were on the
what
terrace.
was first?
And this one time, Lavanya, Bhargavi and I, all three of us
Some secrets are not meant to be shared, okay? Yeah.
Okay, focus. So this one time, Lavanya, Bhargavi, Ashna and I, we were all chilling on the terrace and we felt like doing something crazy.
Yeah.
And
You were not part of
I
this.
was not there. I was asleep.
she was asleep.
She was
So
not
I
there.
used to always.
So
It was the three of us.
It was Ashna, Bhargavi and I. It was a crazy idea.
And Anuja.
And Anuja.
Of course, Anuja.
Yeah.
We flashed the
We
guards.
flashed
The
the
guards were,
guards.
but to be honest, they were very far away. They were very, very far away. And it was like pitch black, okay?
But we flashed them.
But we flashed them.
Anuja, the bride, and all her girlfriends flashed the and we made Captain
McGrath face.
McGrath face.
We put our bras on our faces like eye patches. And then we made Captain McGrath face.
Let's say it together. Captain McGrath face. Okay, that's our memory.
That's
Yeah.
our-
Go
yeah,
ahead. Go
fun
ahead.
memory.
Go ahead.
You guys have fun. You guys have any memory of so many.
So many.
Not really.
Madhav.
Okay, I'll say something about Anuja. Anuja, you're very fanuja. Never be a danuja. Always be fanuja. When I came to college, I thought you were a cool Delhi girl. Then I met other Delhi cool girls. And then you were just one of the other Delhi cool girls. But you are still a very special Delhi cool girl. So cheers and congrats. Because you got married and also other Delhi cool girls got married. But you also got married. So congratulations and best of luck for the.
Well,
That's my poem. That's it.
well, well, I think Madhav has embarrassed all of us. So I wouldn't take his side, but I guess we all love you a lot, Anuja, and we have had the best travel together during our college times, and obviously you take a lot of care about, for all of us. So I really love
And
you.
Anuja,
and
we
we all love you a
we'll
lot.
always remember when you crashed Scorpio on the highway.
Just ignore her. You are an amazing driver. So all the best for.
Crashing Scorpio.
No.
Abhinav will tell the story about crashing the Scorpio.
No.
I can clarify. No such thing ever happened.
Yeah.
If you ask Anuja
That's
also,
the disclaimer. This is untrue.
I believe she's the most brilliant driver in Delhi. You will hear a lot about her. Okay, and I just wish her a life full of happiness and love. Thank you.
Yeah, there are more. Yeah. She came back to the hostel at some 11 o'clock at night and she said, guys, I have to tell you something. And then she said, guys, there is a boy.
That's not even true.
Yeah, that's how it happened with me.
Okay,
Because
no.
I was probably late.
Late to
And
the
then-
info.
Yeah. And then late at night we got into bed and she told us about this guy who's an AZB and who's hitting on her and who she kind of likes back. Okay, it's not the.
I don't remember this.
I remember this very clearly in your room.
Frankly, I thought I was the only one. I was like,
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Like,
No, I remember.
Okay.
Yeah. So I remember she came back. She used to go to her internship in the morning from hostel and come back to hostel. And I met her one day in our common virtual 516 room. And she got into bed and she told us about this guy who's hitting on her. And this guy who she likes back, and like some little bit of flirtation is happening, and she was blushing and she was just like, there were hearts coming out of her head. Such a cute girl, and like I was really happy for her in that moment. Like, and the next thing I remember is the same boy, Ankit, sending her Nutella, and that Nutella we could not touch. she was like, this Nutella is mine.
You can't touch Ankit's Nutella.
And you better not have it. He sent it for me and I'm gonna have it. And it's literally since then it's been history and they've just been inseparable, and touch wood, they're the cutest.
Okay, what is your word?
So our version
Much
is that
more
he liked-
detailed,
he
yeah.
liked her from a long time. He actually liked her
Since
first
first year. Like she
had a
was
crush on
yeah,
her.
she was
And-
the
yeah.
junior who joined,
Yeah.
and he had a
crush on her,
massive crush on her, and
Ankit is
everyone
the
knew
winner
about
here.
it.
Yeah, in fact,
especially
a lot of
all-
boys had a crush on Anuja, but Ankit specifically
was a
did.
known crush.
Yeah, because my husband is Ankit's best friend, and every time we would meet up with Ankit, like every time Arunav would meet up with us, he would like, is Anuja there? Is Anuja there? He was like obsessed with her. He was really got a crush on her. And then they obviously interned together at AZ.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to tell the range?
Oh, so
Yeah.
this is
So-
the be cool boy. Oh, okay.
You didn't realize.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, so it's really cute. So at his farewell, it suddenly started raining really heavily, and it was an outdoor farm party, and everyone moved to this inside venue. But basically, Anuja and Ankit didn't want to go in, and they wanted to dance in the rain. So both of them had this really cute moment where they danced in the rain at his farewell. But they only started dating 2 years later. But since then, they kind of had this vibe going on. But for some reason, it never worked out. And then, why is that
She was
funny?
dating someone, right?
Yeah, she was dating. yeah. No, that time she had broken up, but whatever. Like, there was a really cute vibe. Yeah. Yeah.
I guess she did kind of have that vibe with him and stuff, which she was seeing someone at that time, so she was quite conflicted at that point. I remember that whole
Ankit is so lucky.
Honestly, I such a like it because it was such a long drawn process, such a blur. Honestly, for me, because I don't remember the first time she told me, but she did tell me because I knew Ankit from before, because he's my senior from school. So she told me that there's this guy and you know him, and I knew him pretty well, and I know his brother also. I mean, because we have a small school, so we all knew each other, and I was really, I think, kind of rooting for him because I knew him. You have that thing that okay, he's from my school and I know his friends, I know him. So I was probably rooting for him in that sense, because I remember whenever she would tell me about him, I would be like, I would always take his side. I'd be like, yeah, like this is the guy and this is the guy. If she was conflicted, I think I would always subconsciously just take his side and want him to be the guy that she's with.
The winner.
The winner who like, yeah.
The winner of Anuja Swayamvar. Ankit is the winner of Anuja Swayamvar.
Soft corner. I had like a soft corner because of the whole school thing. Yeah, because I remember this whole conflicting thing, but I always was rooting for Ankit.
What a cutie.
First year of college, 2011. 2011. First year of college, 2011, when I guess all of us also met her. I don't know, initially I was like, "Kaun hai ye?" And then all of my friends were her friends, so I became friends with her, and then it was like, very cool.
No, when did you get to know about her and Ankit?
About her and Ankit. Oh God. Dude, like 2 years ago. Like
No,
I was the
they've
last
been
person.
dating for 6 years. 5 years.
Yeah, I had no clue. So like,
Okay, I think Madhav is just drunk out of his mind. But
no, honestly.
But we all got to know about Anuja and Ankit when they
After
started
college.
dating. Probably few days
4 years.
after they started dating. But you shouldn't trust Madhav. He's just drunk.
No. So I got to know about Anuja and Ankit after college. That was after 2016. I got to know about them.
That was 5 years ago.
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah. So I got to know after college when like everyone. I don't know. I saw them together in parties and all. I was like, ठीक है साथ में.
हाँ
नहीं.
मतलब बस
नहीं, yeah, I was very happy. I was like, ठीक है अनुजा.
मतलब
got-
बस माधव दिल्ली में था इसलिए उसको इनवाइट कर दिया
That's why he's not dressed.
Yeah, that's why he's
That's why
not
he's
dressed.
dressed like this. Last minute invite.
Yeah, so like
he didn't have the clothes.
I got to know about them. I saw them in parties and I was like, wow, wow, great.
Oh, what did you see?
I saw a beautiful couple, totally engaged with each other, totally in love with each other, and like it was amazing. Like the love was in the air, and I was mesmerized. And I was like, wow,
अच्छा,
Anuja,
ठीक है यार, हो
you are a
गया.
lucky girl.
Enough. Cut.
Okay, then you guys can.
few days after they started dating. We've been in the same group for however long. Since second year. So we ought to know whenever she started dating. After few days we got to know about them. हाँ मतलब अब date या मतलब मैं हमारा थोड़ी ना कुछ चल रहा है मतलब when they started dating they told us and that
minute to minute. No, we found out pretty soon and we were very happy for
So
them.
was she hiding or she just...
No. There was nothing to hide in our
No, of
college.
course not.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
it was a college of 400 people, including the teachers, including the professors. It was 400 people. You can't hide anything. Nothing can be hidden.
So yeah.
I think Ankit is perfect for her.
Yeah, we feel very happy about them,
Both
how
of
they're
them are
happy
just
together.
Meant to be together. Very excited for them and the life they're going to begin together.
Yeah, so... How do you feel about them now? So what qualities
Well, I think they will prove to be great companions for each other. They are.
Yes,
they are,
Well said.
Yes.
Well said, my lord. Bakoya.
Lord Bucks. We are very excited for them.
I must say one thing. They've been together for 5 years, and till date, at parties, they'll disappear. And then people will be like, Ankit, Anuja, kahan gaye? And then we have no clue. Then you have to call them. We have to call them, and then finally they'll become saying, we are coming.
What rubbish! Sanya has made up so many
Dude, at
theories.
my fucking mehendi.
She's made up so
At my mehendi, they disappeared. What?
Okay,
Cut.
Don't put this part.
Fine. They have sex, but don't tell anyone.
Sanya.
So they'll cut it, yeah.
No,
It's not about.
They don't got anything. It's fine.
Acha, okay.
Please just don't put this
Don't
part.
put this part.
Don't put this part.
But don't worry, anyways, we'll...
Okay, please cut this
You're
part.
the first guy to be shown to them only.
I just want to say that Ankit really makes her happy. Like she's been with other people earlier, but nobody has made her feel as secure, happy, and complete the way Ankit has, and that really makes a difference to all of our lives. The fact that she's happy anchors her, and that anchors each one of us. Because when she's happy, everybody in the group is happy. You know how they say there's one person who's the glue in a group? She's the glue in all of our lives and in our entire group. So when she's happy, we're all happy. And Ankit makes that happen. So that really works for all of us.
Teachers for Anuja and Ankit.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Yeah.
मतलब सवाल कौन बनेगा करोड़पति का?
आखिरी सवाल.
Okay, so any message for them? One by one.
Oh God, why me first? Can you start from there?
Abhinav hasn't said much.
Yeah. You
Abhinav.
Message for them. उधर से शुरू करो. Let me tell you.
Okay, so have a really happy life together and दोनों लोगों को घर संभालना सीख जाओ. You know, दोनों लोग खाना बनाना अच्छे से and just keep each other very happy and all the best. Yeah, that's what.
Any advice for Ankit?
Just keep her happy, dude.
Anuja is
Because you know,
perfect.
if we are not happy because Anuja is not happy, then you are going to have a very bad time. So, all the best. So yeah, going strong with Anuja.
All the best, you guys. I'm very excited for you, and you're going to have a very happy, amazing life. I'm sure of that.
He'll give a good message.
Guys, just be happy with what you have. Because what you have is
Now you're stuck with each other.
No. Just be happy with what you have because what you have is great. And you know, appreciate that and you know, really like that's something appreciate that, not because you have to appreciate it, because that is really something that's very appreciable. And be happy, you know, and enjoy your life.
Any warning for Ankit?
No warning. It's कोई मतलब बिजली का तार थोड़ी ना छोड़ने जा रहा. Just it's good. Enjoy it, live it. You are Ankit, you are fantastic. Anuja, you are fantastic, and both of you will do great. That's great.
So we're very excited for you. Never let your love die. Keep enjoying the little moments and the little things. Keep traveling together, enjoying your pizza and the yummy food. Keep going to Big Chill and Nagpals and just live up life together, because now you have each other for the rest of your life and you're basically living with your best friend, and we're so excited for both of you.
So I just wanted to give you a bit of advice, which is something I think one of your mothers said during the wedding, was just always put each other first. And I think that's really important. In the face of everything else, make sure that you love each other, take care of each other, and stand up for each other. And then you'll have a great married life. And wish you all the best. And I'm so happy for you. Love you both.
I just want to tell Ankit that Anuja is going from GK2 to Vasant Vihar and Vasant Kunj. If she doesn't meet me like once a week, then I will be at your house the whole time. So you better make sure that Anuja is at my house and I am at your house, or else I will be a third wheel in your marriage the whole time. There is no second doubt about that. Okay? This is a girl who's a piece of my heart and I am not letting her go. So I will see you all the time.
Okay, so speaking from experience, I think there's nothing better than marrying the person that you love, and you're going to have a friend and a companion for the rest of your life. And I love the fact that me and Rishabh get along so well with you and Ankit, and we have each other now, the four of us. So we have this fun gang that we can grow old together with and just make memories for the rest of our lives.
Like Sanya was saying earlier, when Anuja entered college, she was this really confident, really outgoing person, and that's what really, she was a little intimidating. But over time, I've come to realize that is what is so special about her, like the confidence and the outgoing, and she just makes everybody feel comfortable, and she's just so she's very outgoing, and that's what I've learned from her, like how to be confident. I've really learned that from Anuja, how to project confidence, how to like not just network, but just like be happy, be confident, and own yourself. Yeah, like that's be happy in your skin. That's what I've really learned from her, and I think that that's what'll keep her happy for the rest of her life. Love you so much, Anuja.
And that's why I think Ankit has a big job to do, because he needs to always keep her happy and make her comfortable, because that's who Anuja is. She is someone who's very comfortable in her skin, and she projects that happiness. You can tell when she's happy, and she sort of just lets it on to other people as well.
And
so
that's
he
what
needs
draws
to
other people to her.
Yeah,
because
and
she's so happy, and everybody else, she makes everybody
and she
else
makes
happy.
everyone else happy. So I think he's got a big responsibility to just keep her that way forever.
And have a lot of sex. Put this in the secret video. Have so much sex. The secret to a good marriage is lots of sex and one kiss every morning.
I agree.
And never going to bed angry with
And
each
one-
other.
yeah.
Which is a
Yeah,
cliche,
say it
but
again.
it's very
One kiss in the
true.
morning
And
and
never
one
going to
before
bed
going to
angry
bed.
with each other, which is a cliche, but it's very, very true.
Yeah.
Yeah.